In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the resources on this guide to research a media representation of African Americans. So I'm going to look and see how African Americans are portrayed in the movie Black Panther. So to do that, I first want to see how was Black Panther discussed in the media, in different articles. One of the databases I recommend using to begin your search is Academic Search Complete. So I'm going to click on its name right there. If you're at home and you click on the title of the database, you might be asked to log in. You should just use the same login that you use for Canvas. So I'm here on the search box. I'm just going to do a very simple search for Black Panther, and I'm putting the name of the film in quotes because I want to make sure that the two words in the title show up next to each other. And I'm seeing a lot of different articles about the film, talking about like a rite of passage. Here's one about resisting the revolutionary call. And here's one that's interesting to me: Liberation on and off screen, Black Panther and Black Liberation Theory. I don't know about you, I don't know necessarily what Black Liberation Theory is. And so what I'd recommend doing if you run across a term you're not familiar with, if you go back to the research guide and you scroll down and look at these background sources, you can see that we have links to online encyclopedias and even the library catalog. So if I want to learn more about Black Liberation Theory or Black Power, I just clicked on the link to Gale Ebooks, and I'm just going to put in Black Liberation. There's a Black Liberation Movement, the Black Liberation Army, Toward Black Liberation by Stokely Carmichael, who's famous. And so in this database here, it's going to give me kind of an overview of, Black Liberation Theory and talking about Black Power. If I wanted to use this article or save it, you can look up here. You can see how I can cite it. I can download it. I can send it somewhere, get the link. So that should make it easier. You can save it to different places using these links here. Go back to the article that I was looking at. Right, that looks interesting to me. I can click on the title and it will take me to an abstract, which is like an overview or summary of the article. If this is an article that I want to use, I can click here to download it. I can also come up here. You can see if I click this right here, it's going to give me the citation, and I can go to get the citation in MLA, right? And I can copy it to the clipboard. Like I said before, I can download it. I can share the article either to one of my drives, or I can email it to myself. And so this is just like a quick way, just showing you how you can use just a few of our sources here to start looking at media representation, to see how a certain product or media representation is portrayed or talked about in the literature, to get more information about some of the terms being used in the article to make sure that you understand it. Hopefully this will get you started, but if you get stuck, just go ahead and click on this little orange Chat with a Librarian link, and we'll be able to help you find additional sources for whatever you want to research about the media product that you're looking at.